Question is discuss the continuity of the given function. Now here points are not given. So we should find points at which point we can discuss the continuity. Because mod x is continuous function, we know mod x plus 1 modulus function will always be continuous functions, okay? But mod x minus mod x plus 1. So for this function we have to check the continuity. Now we know the graph of x, mod x, isn't it? This is the graph of mod x. So at x equal to 0, it is direction is changing. Okay, we know mod x we defined as mod x equals to x when x is positive, and it is equal to minus x when x is negative. Okay, so if x is greater than 0, so positive value will come here, my negative value will come. Now similarly mod x plus 1 also, mod x plus 1 will become 0 at minus 1, and this will be the graph of the mod x plus 1. Okay, so according to the condition we got 2 points here, at 0, at s equal to minus 1. So at these 2 points we'll check the continuity, we'll discuss the continuity. Okay, so first we'll redefine the function. Now we got 3 cases here. See, suppose this is 0, minus 1, 1. We got 3 cases. What are the 3 cases? When x value lies between in this region. This region means x less than equal to minus 1 we can say. What happened then when value lies in this region? This region means x value greater than minus 1 and less than 0. Or this region means x is greater than 0. So 3 area we got here. So accordingly we'll redefine it. First area we got x less than equal to minus 1, then x value greater than minus 1, less than 0, then x greater than 0. So what will happen to this function? Now x is less than equal to minus 1. See, this is mod function, this is mod x plus 1, and this is my x less than equal to minus 1 means this area. So in this area if you observe, both are negative. Okay, so both modulus will be negative. So mod x minus mod x plus 1, both negative means this negative is already, x plus 1 is also negative. This minus minus will become plus, x plus 1. So answer is 1. So for this region answer is 1. Now we'll redefine for this area. So now since we know this area, if you observe this one, so here mod x plus 1 is positive, this line, isn't it? And but mod x is negative, this line, this is the region. So one function is negative, one function is positive. Which function is negative? Mod x is negative and mod x plus 1 is positive. So this is negative, so minus x will come. This will be same as it is because it is positive. So minus x minus 1. So minus 2x minus 1. So this is the function when x value lies between x minus 1 and 0. Okay. Now for the third case x greater than equal to 0. Now in this case both value will be positive. You can consider, see, this is the 0. So in this region both value is positive. Both value positive means this will be same x, this will be same x plus 1. So x minus 1, this will go, answer is minus. So now we have redefined our function in this particular intervals. Now we'll check the continuity at x equal to minus 1 and at x equal to 0. Okay, this is our function, new redefined function. So now suppose at x equal to minus 1. For this we have to check limit x tends to minus 1 plus f of x, limit x tends to minus 1 minus f of x equals to f of minus 1. So it will be limit x tends to minus 1 plus, means x value greater than -1. Greater than -1 means second function. So we will write here x value will substitute as -1. So we'll get 2 minus 1, which is 1. Equation 1. Then we'll find limit x tends to -1 minus. -1 minus means x less than -1, which is 1. Directly I can write 1. So answer is 1. Equation 2. And f of -1 will be 1 also. So from equation 2, 1, 2 and 3, what we can write? Function, both these are equal. So we can write from 1, 2 and 3. This equals to this. That implies function is continuous at x equal to -1. Okay. Now, after getting continuity at x equal to 1, we will check at x equal to 0. So, we will write at x equal to 0. What we should check? To check limit x tends to 0 plus limit x tends to 0 minus equals to f of 0. So 0 plus means value of x greater than 0, which is in third function. So we'll write -1. Answer is -1. 4. Limit x tends to 0 plus minus f of x. Minus f of x means value of x less than 0. This will come second function. So here if you substitute x value 0, you will get minus answer. And f of 0 is also -1. So what we can write? F of 0 is also -1. So from 4, 5 and 6, what we can write? These three values are equal. That means function is continuous at x equal to 0 also. So function is continuous at 0, at x equal to -1. Therefore, function is continuous everywhere. That is, there is no point of discontinuity. Okay.